Tula. My name is Kamlesh Krishna. I am come from Ba. I was working here in Suba Vodafone subcontract and faced COVID. Is myself lost the job. They send me home, and after that myself stay home long time. And I was decided to open my business, and I running my business car wash and the tire center. I am 38 years old. I got the family. I got three kids. And now I am single father. I have one son and two daughters. My son was helping me in car wash and the tire center. Stay with me. Myself open is 7 o'clock until 11:30 is my close at night because cafe is at 12 o'clock. So sometimes customer coming around 9, 10. So sometimes morning time, daytime some slack, afternoon time to again customer coming. Same about the car wash too. I got the two employees working with me. One is the entire center is working full day, and one of in my car wash in working and my son too helping to me car wash entire center. Yeah, one of the car wash my labor is a school student. He was need the job, but he was coming only 3 days to working for the school helping. So I was allowed to come and do my car wash. Myself giving wages to buy for school things, to the books, bags and shoes, and bus fare too, because very hard to his parents. Before the COVID, I'm working in Vodafone subcontract 7 years and do the billboard and the shop maintenance, Vodafone shop maintenance, and the recharge kiosks, the small house in the town. You already see the Nasori, Suva, Nendi, Singatoka, Ba, Latoka, Riki. Tire center is easy to open, not about the city council. And canteen you go apply the city council to license, and they come and check, and plenty things in the canteen to city council want. And tire center nothing to city council wants, only they come and see the place is okay. Of the public and make the tire. During the lockdown I went to go Ministry of Health to do the bring the pass for open the tire center, and we open the tire center and car wash. And some police come in to say that thing, you have to not allowed to look down to open this like that. So I was tell them to we are opening for the only the Ministry of Health and the police vehicles to come and make the tire. They come because here the near the road, and town side they all the close. They come and tell me, ask me, hey, you can make the tire. Okay, I said come, I can make the tire. And the police vehicle too, military health vehicle too. Some military vehicle come make the tire to here too. All the tire center close. Only this tire center is open for the lockdown. So I will help him all of them. We are around to running more better than more. I started this business, and COVID hit the Fiji. So I grow up to want to open to fish shop here. Now it's tire center here, car wash. So I grow up to open the another business is a fish shop, for waiting for the city council license to give it. Is maybe very soon I got the license for the fish shop, and very soon to open the fish shop. Problem is the plenty people lost the job. To if they want to run the business, to work hard and to make his decision. So like me, to the first COVID came, we lost the job, and myself no job. Then I work hard and to make myself decision to go and thinking to open my business. So now it's still myself open my business to run